Rosemary to, rosemary.
Oh, paano kung ano? She loves you, she loves you, she loves me na.
Ganito yan. Sabihin mo siya, kuha ka ng isa, di ba? Yan, she loves me na. She loves me na. Kaya lang matagal, pag nagmamadali ka, ganito na gawin. She loves me na, she loves me. She loves me na. Uy, ulitin natin sa kapila. She loves me na, she loves me na. She loves me na, she loves me na, she loves me, she loves me. She loves me na, pre. Yung love niya siya sa akin.
Sana all.
She loves me na. Yun lang yun. She loves me na, she loves me na, she loves me. She loves me lagi ah. She loves me talaga. Mahal niya na ako.
Sana all.
She loves me na. Sabi ko na eh. May natira sa ibabaw. She loves me na. She loves me. Oh, wala na. She loves me ha. Wala na ko kontra. She loves me na. She loves me.
Wala naman daw ako kontra.
Bakit?
Kasi wala naman daw ano eh.
Basta siya. Iwan na ako ng kasama ko guys. Ako na lang para seryoso. She loves me not. She loves me not. She loves me not. She loves me. Walang daya yan. May takita na naman. She loves me not. She loves me not. She loves me not. She loves me. Basta laging she loves me lang ang tapos. She loves me. Ito na tayo mga. Alright, herbs na yan. Alright man, let's go! Ating mga tangkay, tsaka ito yung mga dahon. Panggisan na yan man. The other one is world man. She loves me not. She loves me.